Okay guys, so I want to make some landing gear for this combat plane that I'm converting for the grandkids to fly. So I set it on a flat surface, right side up, and checked for the clearance of the prop and figured out the dimension that I wanted to make the landing gear. Took into account the diameter, half the diameter of the wheels, and so drew that line, and then just drew the shape that I wanted to bend it. So I just took half inch by 1/16 inch aluminum and bent it to that shape, and then just drilled holes for mounting the wheels on there. Just held on with 440 screws and 2 nuts on each side, and then drilled a hole through the top of this, and then I took one of the 440 screws out that goes through the wing into that machined aluminum. So these are I don't know, they're about 2-inch long screws, I think, or close, maybe. I guess they're 1.5-inch long screws. So they don't go all the way through everything, but they go into this aluminum block that I have tapped. So put a screw in there, and then I can screw this into that tapped hole that I tapped into the aluminum block. So get these mounted right there. So then I also wanted the tail to put a tail skid on, so I cut a piece of plywood and glued that on for my tail skid. So there we go. Now I have landing gear. So now it'll be a little easier for the grandkids to take off and land on a flat surface. So I also put the landing gear with the wheels and the screws on the scale, and it weighs 0.7 ounces. So didn't add much weight at all. So there we go. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you.